video, we will learn about rural community. What is this rural community? You can see many activities in the pictures. In this, some are agricultural activities and some are non-agricultural activities. So we'll know about agricultural activities. Cultivation of soil, ploughing the land to grow crops, harvesting the crop. And non-agricultural activities are like carpentry, fishery, pottery, etc. In India, 72% of the total population live in villages. Agriculture is the major occupation of 70% of these people. Along with agriculture, other occupations like dairy, poultry, fishery, sericulture, rearing cow, buffalo are also done. We also find occupations like weaving, blacksmithing, carpentry, basket weaving and others in villages. Agricultural activities are totally dependent on rain. Villages have problems related to hygiene, health, education and jobs. The government has introduced many rural development programs. First one is Rozgar Yojana and Jawahar Gram Samruddhi Yojana for the educated youth in villages for self-employment. Second one is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan to give quality education. Third one is Nirmala Gram Yojana for the cleanliness of villages. Fourth one is Bhagya Lakshmi Yojana for the better future of girls. Fifth one is Ashray Yojana to provide free sites and grants and loans to build houses for the poor. We'll know about urban community and tribal community in the next video.